All right, we're going to continue to look at our exponent examples. Example 4, we have 5 raised to the exponent of pi, and then that is squared. So that's just going to equal, remember we would multiply the pi and the 2, so 5, I'm going to go ahead and write the 2 first, 5 raised to the 2 pi power. Well, when that happens, let's go ahead and we can evaluate 5 squared to the pi power. 5 squared is 25 raised to the power of pi. And we're going to leave our answer like that. Alright, so our next example, we have 8 raised to the 2 pi power, but it's the square root of 8. This is what we call radical form when you have your radical in the problem. So let's go ahead and rewrite that in exponent form. So you have 8 raised to the 2 pi power, and then remember, if you're taking a square root, that's the same thing as raising something to the 1/2 power. What that allows us to do is to multiply these exponents. 2 pi times 1/2, well, 2 times 1/2 is equal to 1. So you have 8 raised to the 1 pi power, or 8 raised to the power of pi. Alright, this last one we can do the same idea. You have your 3 raised to the 6 pi power. This is a cube root. That's the same thing as raising something to the 1/3 power. We can go ahead and multiply our exponents. So we'll multiply the 6 and the 1/3. So 6 over 1 times 1 over 3 is 6 over 3, which is 2. So we have 3 raised to the 2 pi power, and then we know that we can go ahead and square the 2, leave the pi out there, and that gives us 9, there's my 9 raised to the power of pi.